Hello IG Garage family, is your check engine light on showing the P0182 code? This is related to the fuel temperature sensor, a circuit low input, and it can cause serious fuel system issues like poor engine performance and potential fuel delivery problems. In today's video we'll cover what P0182 means, where the fuel temperature sensor is located, which is very important, and how to diagnose and fix it. At the end, I'll suggest 2 more videos to help you out. P0193, fuel temperature sensor circuit high input, and P0089, fuel pressure regulator performance. Let's dive in. What does P0182 mean? The P0182 code stands for fuel temperature sensor, a circuit low input. This means there's an issue with the signal from the fuel temperature sensor. The fuel temperature sensor measures the temperature of the fuel in the fuel tank or rail, and sends this data to the engine control module, ECM. If the ECM detects a voltage reading lower than expected, it triggers the P0182 code. Symptoms of P0182: check engine light on poor engine performance or rough idling, engine hesitation or stalling during acceleration, lower fuel efficiency, and increased exhaust emissions. Common causes of P0182: a faulty fuel temperature sensor, damaged or corroded wiring or connectors, a blown fuse related to the fuel temperature sensor circuit, a faulty ECM, which is rare, and improper grounding of the sensor circuit. Where is the fuel temperature sensor located? Well, you can usually find it near the fuel rail or the fuel tank. It's attached to the fuel system to monitor the temperature of the fuel as it flows through the system. In some vehicles, the fuel temperature sensor might be integrated into the fuel pressure regulator. Also, the sensor is typically connected to the ECM via a wiring harness. So look for any loose, damaged, or corroded wires that could be causing the low voltage reading. First, locate the fuel temperature sensor and visually inspect it for damage. If it's cracked or damaged, replace the sensor. Next, follow the wiring from the sensor to the ECM, looking for signs of corrosion, fraying, or disconnection. Make sure the connectors are securely plugged in. Then, use a multimeter to check the voltage coming from the sensor. The voltage should match the specifications from your car's repair manual. If the sensor is not functioning properly, you'll need to replace it. Also, check the fuse related to the sensor circuit and ensure it hasn't blown. Inspect the grounding to ensure it's in good condition. Finally, once the repairs are done, use an obd2 scanner to clear the code. Take the car for a test drive and see if the check engine light returns. So there you have it. That's how you handle the P0182 code. Fuel temperature sensor, a circuit low input. Start by checking the sensor, wiring, and fuses. If everything checks out, make sure to test and replace the faulty components. Before you go, make sure to watch these related videos: P0193, fuel temperature sensor circuit high input, and P0089, fuel pressure regulator performance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any more helpful car tips and fixes from IG Garage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.